Welcome to our class documentary. Today, we will explore three important concepts: body mass index, BMI, stress management, and coping strategies.
What is BMI? BMI, body mass index, is a number that shows whether a person has a healthy body. With for the height, it is calculated by dividing a person's weight in kilograms by the square of their height in meter. Formula: BMI equals weight kilogram divided height m squared.
Sample competition. Example of BMI. Height 1.60 meter. Weight 55 kilogram. There's a solution of BMI. Solution BMI 55 kilogram divided by 1.60 meter times 1.60 meter. So i-times ka duha ang duha ka 1.60 meter. So ang mugawas is 2.56 meter. So ibutang sa ubos. So ang BMI 55 divided by 2.56. So ang mugawas 21.5.
Interpretation based on BMI chart. Category BMI range. Underweight below 18.5, normal weight 18.5 to 24.9, overweight 25.29.9, obese is 30 and above. So the result is 21.5, which is normal weight. Stress management strategies. Stress scenario card. Scenario: exam pressure, too many subjects and deadlines approaching. Physical and emotional signs of stress. Physical: headache, fatigue, loss of appetite, tense muscles. Emotional: irritability, anxiety, lack of focus, negative thinking.
Healthy stress management techniques. Number 1, deep breath exercise, calm the nervous system and reduce tension. Kira na pre. Na.
What's that?
Number 2, time blocking and scheduling. It helps manage study time efficiently to prevent overload. Number 3, adequate sleep and rest. It restores energy and improves memory retention.
Number 3, healthy coping strategies. Talking to a friend or a counselor, sharing feeling lightens the emotional load. Number 2, engaging in physical activity. Exercise release endorphins that boost mood. 3, journaling or mindfulness help process thoughts or reduce overthinking.
Kira na pre, mas dapat speed.
Ikaw mo siya pre.